So we were walking down the street and we saw this pet store. And these are Chinchilla. I thought it was very interesting. So they're just in here chilling, sleeping, waiting to become a coach. Trying to play through the hole. They sleep a lot because they've probably been playing with people all day. He looks like he's dead, but he's breathing. You can see just a subtle movement. And he just flinched. The things you see on the streets of China. Chinchilla. I love chinchilla. Oh, there's a big one. Hold on. Hey, babe. So I wonder how big that can get. Amazing. It's like going to the zoo. So whether you're eating or you're sleeping or washing up, chinchillas are cute. Tiny, 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 tiny. Little bitty ones look like mice. Cool. Cool things. This one, the whiskers on this one are super long.
Fine.
Yeah, look at his little fingers.
Sharp, very soft. When they move, they like.
All right. Fast like hummingbirds. It's like, I didn't do anything. I'm just chilling. So wait a minute, they sell them and the price...
It's different, it's mice.
Oh, okay.
So they
Those are the kind you kill in the house.
This is different kind.
Right. But the chinchillas, the price of these? The price of this? He costs 3,600 Chinese yuan, which is like about 300, about $450, $500.
And they're only 5 months.
He's 5 months
His
old.
birthday is 2018 and June 17.
Yeah, 2018 is his birthday. So that chinchilla there is like about 600 bucks. 450, yeah, around 500 bucks. I'm learning how to calculate yen to dollars pretty quick. So ends our
I think he's a little bit afraid
chinchilla escapade.
Oh, my phone is the power off.
Hi, babe.